Rhizophoraceae is the scientific term for mangrove family. Manguva is a Portuguese term which means woody trees or shrubs found at the sea or land interface in tropical estuaries. Rhizophoraceae is a Greek word. Rhiza means roots. The taxonomical classification goes like this: belongs to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Phanerogames, class Dicotyledone, division Polypetale, series Calciflorae, that bear sepals united, adnate to the ovary and ovary inferior, order Myrtales and family Rhizophoraceae. Mangroves are originated in Indo-Malayan regions, spread westward by ocean currents during the late Cretaceous and lower Miocene. Seeds and propagules. Cretaceous period means last portion of the age of dinosaurs, that is 65 million years ago. Miocene means period and extends from about 23.03 to 5.33 million years ago. Species of mangroves, around 17 genera and 120 species are found. 9 species are reported in India. Red mangroves and black mangroves and sweet mangroves. Along with that, white mangroves. There are 4 colors of mangroves: red, black, sweet and white. Red mangroves means Rhizophora mangle, that is Rhizophoraceae. Viviparous propagules are found here. Black mangroves are Avicennia germinans, that is again Rhizophoraceae family. Sweet mangroves is Myterus phyllonthoides. Then white mangroves are Laguncularia racemosa. This belong to Cambritaceae family, and sweet mangroves belong to Celestaceae family. Remember, red mangroves belong to Rhizophoraceae, black also to Rhizophoraceae, white mangroves to Cambritaceae, and sweet mangroves to Celestaceae. Coming to the characteristics of mangrove. Mangroves are evergreen plants with thick leathery leaves designed to minimize transportation. Viviparous germination, where the seed germinates on the tree and falls down in the germinating condition with a long radical, characteristic of Rhizophoraceae. Root system has many unique types of roots like stilt roots, pneumatophores, root knees and plank roots. Remember, in mangroves, root system is slightly different. That has 4 type of root systems: stilt root, pneumatophores, root knot and plank roots. Stilt roots means looping roots arise from the trunk and lower branches. Pneumatophores are the respiratory roots. In the first figure means where the numerous roots are found from the root trunk is known as stilt root. Then pneumatophores for respiration purpose. These are originated from the grounds only, moving towards the upper portion means towards the sky. These erect roots that are extensions of the underground root system. These roots are exposed at least part of the day and non-submerged underwater. The root system can obtain oxygen in an otherwise anaerobic substrate. Knot root means the horizontal roots growing vertically upward and forming loops downward to resemble a bent knee. And plank roots are wavy snake-like roots that radiate outwards from the trunk base. In the picture here, these are the knot roots and these are the plank roots. This is also a plank root. This is a combination of knot root and plank root. Lenticels. Lenticels are the small pores present on the aerial roots. Wherever the good timbers are required, lenticels are the best sources in order to go for vegetative propagation. And here the small pore-like structure or outward growth are nothing but the lenticels. Lenticels are susceptible to clogging by crude oil and other pollutants and attacked by parasites. Coping with salt. Exclude salt take salt in and dispense it through glands in their leaves. Taxonomic characters of the family. Habit is trees or shrubs. Leaves are simple, opposite, coriaceous. Then stipules are interpetiolar, often caducous or absent. Inflorescence is cymose. Flowers solitary in the axils. Flowers actinomorphic. Then bisexual or rarely unisexual. Perigynous or epigynous. Receptacles cup-shaped or pitcher-shaped. Sepals 4 to 8, sometimes 3 to 16. Gamosepalous or free or adnate to the ovary. Velvet estivation more or less connote at the base and adnote to the ovary. Sepals leathery and persistent. Petals as many as sepals and smaller than sepals free. 6 stamens or many, sometimes pair stamens, embracted by petals usually seated on the margins of the lobe disc. Carpels are 2 to 6, syncarpous, ovary inferior or half or semi-inferior, 2 to 6 loculed ovary with 2 pendulous ovules. Fruits are berry or a capsule, rarely a drupe with persistent calyx. Seeds with or without endosperm. Germination is usually viviparous, that is, germination takes place on the maternal plant to avoid high salinity in the germinating ground. Floral, the formula is it is hermaphrodite plant with calyx 3 to 16, corolla 3 to 16, androecium 6 to many, and gynoecium inferior with 2 to 6. Ecological importance of mangrove families, habitats, nurseries and nesting sites for prawns, crabs and innumerable number of fishes and birds. Root system harbor many organisms that trap and cycle nutrients and other chemicals, contribute to higher water quality, protect shorelines from erosion. Source of food. Edible fruits and honey from flowers of some species. River mangroves are source of best honey. Medicines. Treatments of skin disorders and sores including leprosy, headache, rheumatism, snake bites, boils, ulcers, diarrhea, and many more conditions are traditionally treated with mangrove plants. Hardwood, used for boat building and cabinet timber. Important species of mangrove family is Rhizophora mucronata, that is red mangrove, to n equal to 36. Rhizophora conjugata is again red mangrove. Candelia candle is narrow-leaved Candelia, to n equal to 26. Cereops tuggle is tuggle mangrove, to n equal to 66 chromosome number. Cereops roxburghenia is to n equal to 20. Then Bruguiera gymnorrhiza is black mangrove or large-leafed mangrove having chromosome number 36. Carallia brachiata is freshwater mangrove, chromosome number 48. Then Blepharistemma coriambassa is Nirkurantha, that has 18 chromosome number. We'll discuss one by one. Rhizophora mucronata is red mangrove candle. This is commonly found in mangroves of tidal forests of east and west coast. Wood used for making tool handles and bark provides tannin material. Rhizophora conjugata. Then Candelia candle is narrow-leaved Candelia. This is an evergreen shrub and found in tidal forests. Good charcoal obtained from wood, bark for dyeing. Bruguiera gymnorrhiza is black mangrove or large-leafed mangrove. This is large tree with flank-like roots with a scaly bark and aerial roots. It produces knee roots. Wood is good for building purpose and also excellent firewood. Carallia brachiata is freshwater mangrove, Andi and Andamurugalu. This is an evergreen tree of evergreen forest with stilt roots from the base of the trunk. Leaves look like Garcinia indica leaves, hence the name Carallia brachiata. The fruits are edible. Wood is used for making furniture. Leaves has good fodder value. Sundarban. We'll just talk about some of the facts about Sundarban forest. This is the largest single block of tidal holophytic mangrove forest in the world. The Sundarban is a UNESCO World Heritage Site covering parts of Bangladesh and Indian state of West Bengal. Present Sundarban National Park was declared as the core area of Sundarban's Tiger Reserve in 1973 and Wildlife Sanctuary in 1977. On 4th May 1984, it was declared as National Park. Friends, the information furnished by me, I think it is helpful to you. If you like this video, please do not forget to keep on liking, sharing, subscribing and commenting. Thanks for watching.